What's going on, all you scalpers out there? Those of you guys who trade the NQ, this video is for you. This is going to be a perfect little scalping strategy that you can use, that you can implement within the first 30 minutes, the first 1 hour of the trading session. I know a lot of you guys work 9 to 5. I know a lot of you guys can't trade each and every single day, all day long, like the rest of us out here who find this job so fascinating. Again, is this strategy going to work every single trade? Of course not. I would be a snake oil salesman to tell you that it's 100% win rate. It's going to lose. However, it's going to win at least 60, 65, 70% some days, 80% some days, 100% some days. Does that mean every time out of 100 trades, it's going to win 70%? No. Does it mean it's going to win 90% over 100 trades? No. But can you get over a 50% win rate and be profitable and control yourself like an adult human being and know when to stop out on a day? Yes. What is this strategy going to entail? It's going to entail a few different sets of rules that you need to follow, and it's going to set a specific guideline for the number of points and the number of contracts that you need to trade to make this profitable. So in order to make this work, in order to make this feasible, even for the most beginner trader, even for the trader who's been trading for years and can't seem to find any sort of consistency, 1 minute time frame, 9 EMA on your chart. And then what we are going to do once we get into these trades, we're going to be taking profits at around 10 points. We're also going to be targeting 30 points taken out of the market every single day. We're also going to be focusing on trading 5 micro contracts every single day. We're also going to be focusing specifically on the first 1 hour of the day. Did you get that? I'm going to say it one more time. We're going to trade 5 micro contracts. We're going to target taking 30 points out of the market. Does it have to come in 1 trade? No. Can it come in 2 trades? Yes. Can it come in 5 trades? Yes. Can it come in 10 trades? Yes. What's our daily loss limit? Meaning, where are we going to stop ourselves out at? Between $250 lost on the day or $300 lost on the day. You take your pick. Let's get into the strategy. First 1 minute candle closes over the 9 EMA. What we are going to do, and again, for all of you risk to reward buffs out there, this is going to be a little bit skewed. So the reason why it's going to be a little bit skewed is because we need to give trades enough time to work. Okay, we need to give trades enough time to work, but our win rate is also going to be a lot higher. So we're going to take less profits, but we're going to have a wider stop. Again, this is going to sound like I'm speaking a foreign language to you. We're going to give ourselves a wider stop and we're going to take profits quicker. Why would we do that? Because it's going to win a little bit more than it loses. Okay, it's going to win a little bit more than it loses. So with that being said, as long as we're a well-disciplined human being, we're going to also stop trading on a day when we take and make at least 30 points in the market, or we lose $250 to $300 on a day. Now, why do I say 30 points? Because if we're going to trade 5 micro contracts and we're going to trade for at least 30 points, we're going to make around $250 a day, between $200, $250, $300 a day. Again, if you're taking 30 points and you're trading 1 micro contract, that means you're winning $60 a contract per trade, okay, per point, per, you guys get what I'm saying, right? So if we're trading, listen, if we're trading 1 contract and we make 30 points, that's $60. If we're trading 5, that's going to be $300. 6 times 5 is $300. So we're looking to make around $300. Again, all you concrete thinkers out there, if you make 270, but D said to make 300, guys, 270, 300 apples, oranges, apples, it's still fruit, tomato, I don't know. You know, potato, potato. It's all the same shit, right? Milk, milk. I don't know. It's all the same thing. So what this is going to allow us to do is to make on a good week an average of $1,500 a week. Well, wait a minute, D. That's not what everyone else is telling me online. I watched a YouTube video, or I watched somebody live streaming where they traded 30 NQ contracts and they made $12,000 in one trade. I don't care, guys. The odds of you, my friend, you, John, you, Daniel, you know, Bob, you, Larry, you, all you guys out there are not going to do that every single day, okay? Leave that for the YouTube live streamers. Leave that for the elite. Leave that for the privileged. Leave that for the special ones. Guys, the average guy like you, like me, we can't do that. We need to have rules. We need to come into the market every day and do something that is repeatable. I play a lot of golf, okay? So when I think about my golf swing, I want to make it so simple that it's repeatable every time. I don't want to be thinking about my hand placement, my backswing, get down here, follow through, finish, balance. It's so much stuff. I just want a simple swing, regardless of the distance, that I can put in play every single time, and it's repeatable. The same thing with you. It needs to be repeatable. So I believe that taking 30 points out of the market is repeatable on a day in and day out basis, more so than it's not. I think that $300 making $1,500 a week is repeatable more times than it's not. And if you do the math, it's around $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, give or take, good or bad days, good or bad weeks. We can make an average of, you know, $6,000 a month. Guys, times 12 months, you're talking about making over $60,000, $70,000 a year, trading relatively small size, relatively low risk. And if you want to make more money, you can always add more funded accounts. You can always get more capital. You can always increase your size. You can always do a lot of things. But let's just start with the basics. If you did not put in $6,000, $5,000, hell, $3,000 into your pocket last month from trading, let's focus on this first, and then we worry about making more money. So the strategy is, we're going to use a 1-bar stop system. So the range on this 1 minute opening candle is 25.5 points. That's our max pain. Okay, that's our max pain. So if this trade was to be a loser, more than likely we're probably going to have to shut it down on the day. Oh my God, but I have to stop trading only 2 minutes into the market. Yes, my friends, have a little bit of self-respect for yourself and follow some rules. But what we're going to do is target 10, 11, 12 points. If we can get 10, 11, 12 points, we're going to cut the trade. And then we're going to find the next one, and we're going to do it again until we get at least 30 points. And then we're going to stop trading on the day. Because if we can do that, then essentially we can make 250, 280, 300, 350 a day, and then we can stop trading and we can come back and do it again tomorrow. This trade hits for at least 10 to 12 points. This setup here is a 23.5 point range candle. So your stop loss is going to be way up here. Oh my gosh, but it's such a big candle. I don't want to get shaken out of it. What if I lose? Well, if you lose, guess what, my friends? You've already made money here. So yes, maybe you lose and now you go into red, but you're only red a little bit. You're still allowed to trade and take one more potential trade. But again, just to kind of keep things into perspective here, you know, let's just continue with the strategy. So this particular trade here, you would enter here at 6:36 in the morning. Yes, it confirms. No, it doesn't give you enough points to get out of the trade. Yes, it does put you into drawdown. Does it come down again? Yes, it does come down. And do you get 10 points if we entered into this trade here, right here on this candle, because we're confirming here? Does this candle give us 10 points? Well, I don't know, guys. If we entered in at 16,690 and the low wick of this candle is 16,680, my gosh, friends, we just made an extra 10 points here. Uh-oh, but you said maybe or 11 points or maybe 12 points. Okay, guys, so we didn't take profits. Now we're back in drawdown. Now we're back profitable again. Now we're back in drawdown. Now we're back profitable again. Uh-oh, now we're in drawdown. Uh-oh, this is going to absolutely stop us out. Oh no, now I'm losing money. Oh no, now I'm losing money. What did D say? trust the strategy, trust your stop loss. This is our max pain, regardless if this trade loses. If it does, we have to stop trading on the day. And then it comes down. And then it comes down again. And it breaks the swing low. And then you get your 10 to 12 points. Again, we're targeting 10 to 12 points per setup. Now, when you get your 10 to 12 points, this candle closes. And guess what? You get another setup. But let's see if this actually gives you 10 to 12 points, because it might not. Remember, this is a game of probabilities. You've already won one trade here for 10 to 12. You've already won one trade here for 10 to 12. Hey D, but what about this one that confirms long? Guys, how can you be in two plays at the same place and same time? You know, you can't be sitting at home with your wife and on the couch with your girlfriend at the same time. Maybe you can. If you can, congratulations to you. Again, ladies, I'm sorry. But what we're looking at here is you cannot be in this long play if you're in this short play, okay? Let's be realistic here, okay? So yes, winner, winner. You're at around 10 to 24 points in the positive. What do we need, guys? We need just one more play. One more play. Before anyone asks me in the comment section, well, what about this play, D? Guys, we should still be in this one, right? If we didn't take the 10 points here because we're waiting for 12, then we would still be in here, which means also same rules apply. We can't be in this one. Now, if we took 10 points here and you guys got into this one, this goes from a price of 16,693 all the way up to 16,703. So it does hit for 10 points. Again, if you want to call it 10 points, call it 10 points. Or you want to call it 9 points, hell, take 9 points. I don't care. The magic number that we need to get to is 30 points. Whether it takes you 3 trades to do it, takes you 2 trades to do it, takes you 10 trades to do it, we need to hit 30, okay? That's a goal, 30. Does it have to happen? No. But could you have taken 10 points here, 10 points here, 10 points here and been done for the day? Yes, you would have been done 12 minutes after the bell. But let's just say for the theory that you only took this play, you got stuck in this one, draw down, you started to cry a little bit here and complain, and then you finally made money. Let's just say that. Here's your next play here at 643. Does this one give you a 10? I don't know. The low price, because I didn't take the trade, obviously. I'm just showing you guys this strategy. I didn't take this setup. I trade the 5-minute time frame. You guys know what I trade already. Trade the 5-minute time frame. But this is a wonderful strategy for those of you guys who like the 1-minute time frame. So the low price on here is 16,676, and this candle goes to a price of 16,660. So not only do you get your 10 to 12 here, but that is also 1, 2, 3 winning plays, 10, 20, 30 points times 5 micro contracts. My friends, you just made anywhere between $280 and $300, depending on slippage, depending on commissions and fees, so forth and so forth. Oh my God, but the commission fees are going to be so much. Guys, stop crying about this little stuff. So many of you guys worry about the little stuff. Well, I'm only going to, I didn't really make $300, D. I only made $270. I only made $250. Cry me a river. You just won 1, 2, 3 back-to-back trades. Cry me a river. Like, seriously? If you are a hyper scalper and you're really good at it, you won 1 trade, you won 2 trades, you won 3 trades. Cry me a fucking river. So again, we're done 13 minutes after the market's open. From here to here, we're done. $300 in the bag. Again, minus fees and commissions. And so forth and so forth. But anyways, we're looking to trade this strategy the first hour of the day. So you're just going to constantly look for these setups. Here's another one here that hits for 22.5 points. Confirms, puts you into drawdown. Most of you guys are going to get all upset. Your stop loss is here though. Stop loss is here. Comes back. Here's another setup as well. Comes back and hits you for your 22 points, right? So 22 points. The high price on this was 690. The high price over here was 712. So it hit exactly for 22 points, right? Exactly for 22 points. So again, you can see how powerful this is, but again, it's going to require you to be disciplined. It's going to require you to think quickly. It's going to require you to do math quickly, and it's going to require you to be on your P's and Q's. It's not really something that you can, oh, just put a limit order in and hope that it fills. And you can put a limit order for your sell, like meaning after you get into the trade, just set a limit order for 10 points up, 11 points up. And if it hits you, great, get the profits, bank that towards 30 points. And if it stops you out, so be it. Remember, only lose $250 to $300 a day. No more. No mas, my friends. No mas. I'll see y'all in the next video. If you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to test out this strategy live with me every day when I trade live with the team at Evolution Traders, you guys want access to the rest of my strategy bank, and you guys want to get one-on-one coaching calls to talk about the things that really matter, like emotions and discipline and trading plans and journaling and sizing and how to handle drawdowns. The really important stuff, join Evolution Traders, because that's where the real work gets done. I'm going to sit here and I'm probably going to make 1,000 more strategy videos for you. And when you have trouble implementing the strategy or can't find the right one that fits you, I will see you on the inside of Evolution Traders, because what you will start to learn is that more so than the strategy, it's you who is not operating at a high level, and it's you who is making mistakes or needs something tailored and adjusted so that you can become profitable. We can definitely work on that inside of Evolution Traders. I have 3 spaces available for new mentorship. I will see all of you guys on the inside who decide to take me up on the offer. To everyone else, please do me a kind favor and like this video, share the content, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs down if you hate it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later.